So Shania Douglas qualifies with the fastest time, 11:33. I think she got the poorest start today. Terry Long at 11:50 seems to have the most still in store. Is the second fastest qualifier. Shoshana Johnson, a bit of a surprise, 11:71. Third fastest qualifier. Natrice East, 11:83. The fourth fastest. I think that's where most of the running is going to come from this evening.
So the under-20 boys are on track now, and we will be having two semifinals. Semifinal 1. Trey Barrett in lane 1, Malik Nugent in 2, Romaria Finnegan in 3, Nathaniel Martin in 4, James Harrison listed for 5, Dante Watson in 6, Nyron Wade in 7 and his teammate Kyle Bodden will be running from lane 8. Full field here for the first semi-final of the under-20 boys 100 meters.
Jamaican national junior record sub 10, 9.99 by Buwaje and Kume, set all the way back in 2023. There on screen is Trey Barrett of St. Diego, 10.95 his qualifying time.
Side him, Malik Nugent of Excelsior High, 50th the event at champs this year, 10.32.
10.96 to get to this semi.
Romaria Finnegan of Edwin Allen in 3.
Surprised a lot of people at champs. 10.18, third fastest junior this season.
So the bronze at champs. Nathaniel Martin of Jamaica College in 4.
Jamaica College, we're hearing their name a lot. They're the boys' champs this year.
8th in the Class 1 final at champs. James Harrison of Excelsior in lane 5. Member of their outstanding 4x1 quartet. Dante Watson of Jamaica College in lane 6.
He won his heat yesterday, 10.65.
This is Nyron Wade of Kingston College.
Another fast name, 10.22, fastest this season.
His best 8th in the Class 1 final at champs this year. And in lane 8 is his teammate Kyle Bodden.
Number 302 ran 10.83 to get to this. It's going to be tough going to get into that final that we're on this evening. Again, the top 3 automatically said that, Jermaine. Yes. That means the maximum amount of athletes from any single heat that can qualify for the final is 5.
On your
3
marks.
winners are the top 3 definitely go through, and 2 potentially by time. But do they come from this heat or the other heat, or do they split it?
Yep. So they're centered their blocks. Barrett, Nugent, Finnegan, Martin, Harrison, Watson, Wade, and Bodden took bronze in the 200 meters in Class 1 at champs this year. He'll be running from lane 8. Finnegan, Nugent, Martin, they were all in that final at champs, along with Wade over 100 meters in Class 1. Set position. Bang! Sent off a clean break for the field. Going well. Here comes on the inside. That is Nugent and Finnegan. And a bang-up finish here from Jamaica College. This is Martin who gets it. Just ahead of Harrison of Excelsior, it might be. And my. Very close. Wade on the outside. Seems to have taken it. So Wade left it late and came through right at the end. As we look back at the replay.
Why we have photo finish in this sport. An amazing start across the board. Fairly even. Perhaps just lane 2 behind. But at this stage, you can't call it. Everybody pressing with Harrison of Excelsior. And then, that's Wade.
Wade gets it just ahead of Harrison.
So Nathaniel Martin is 3rd from Jamaica College. Those 3 guaranteed a spot. 10.62, 10.64, 10.65, and then just outside, Dante Watson at 10.70 and Kyle Bodden at 10.77 are the 2 bubble times. But can that stand up, Danielle, to what's about to come on the track in semi-2?
Here we go. Wade 10.62, Harrison 10.64, Martin 10.65, Watson 10.70, Bodden 10.77. Finnegan surprisingly ending down the track 10.81 in 6th place.